everybody. Today we're at the Andorra Trailhead in the city of Chatsworth. Honestly, I had never ever heard of this trail before, but I was doing a quick search on Google Maps this morning trying to find a new trail because, you know, you get kind of bored of the same old trails. And I found this one, and apparently there's a waterfall. I don't know if there's any water flowing right now, but we'll check it out. So, come hike with me. Let's go. So far, so good. I like canyon trails because they're shaded. And it's super nice to walk under the shade of sycamores. Very, very nice so far. Seems like the wash is down there. No water there. But we'll see. Let's keep on walking. We're coming near to the first super interesting find. Seems to be an abandoned either car or some sort of machinery all rusted. Let's go see. Okay, it's in there. Look at that. It's an old sort of pickup or like a truck. Wow, that's cool. There's the dash, what's left of it. I wonder what kind of car or truck this was. If you know, comment below. I love all rusted machinery. There I was going through the tall grasses, and there's a clean path over here. It always happens. By the way, check out those rock formations in the back. Isn't that cool? Interesting that I never heard about this park before. It's so cool. I like it. Looks like we got a choice here. Let's see. What does it say here? Andorra Trail or Miranda Trail Loop. I don't know. Let's do, I guess, this one. Let's continue straight. Here's another sign or marker for Miranda Trail Loop. I don't know what's the difference with the other one. Oh, this one goes down here. Interesting. I'm gonna continue on this same path, see where it leads us. Beautiful, beautiful place. Look at those views. And this is exactly why you need to get on all trails or Google Maps or whatever you use to find trails. Find a new trail and just go see what it's like, because you never know. And every time I've done that, I'm surprised by a really beautiful place. So go out and explore. I guess that's the lesson here. Look at this tree, how beautiful. Well, here's the waterfall trail. It continues here, but I can already tell there's not gonna be a waterfall because look at this. Wait, over here it's freaking bone dry. Bone dry. Yeah. No waterfall. Yeah, I'm gonna turn around and go back home because there's a few things that I need to do, and it's not worth it right now. There's no water. It's just a dry riverbed. But I put a pin on it. We're gonna come back after a heavy rain, or maybe after the winter when the creeks here in SoCal have a lot more water. We'll see. I'll time it better next time, but at least I know where it is now. So definitely coming back, checking out the waterfall at some point. And we're back on the Andorra Trail. No idea where this is gonna take us to. we're going down towards the city again. So maybe it'll finish at the street where I parked my car. We'll see. Well, trail turns left, or there's two very narrow paths. I don't want to go back up. It's the same way I came down. If I go there, it's opposite from the parking spot. Let me decide and get back. Well, I took the middle narrow path. As I said, no idea where this is gonna take me, but now I'm committed, so we'll see. This looks more like an MTB path, mountain bike path. That's not that bad. They gotta get out of this area somehow anyway, so it may work for me too. Let's see, sign coming up ahead. As if it's gonna help. I don't even know these trails anyways. Let's see what it says. Bannon Quarry Trail. Well, let's see. Let me look up here, see what's after this rock. Oh, there's a road. Let's get there. Let's get on that road. Follow that road. We're by a neighborhood over here. Yeah, this is probably gonna end up on one of the streets down there in Chatsworth, and I can walk to my car. Perfect. Yeah, I could probably go on Google Maps and see exactly where I am and where I'm gonna end up. But why do that? This is part of the adventure. And exploring, not knowing where you are. Just keep going. I'm not gonna get lost, obviously, so... Geez, I saw that gate. And I was freaking out. But I think there's a side path over here. And this is probably the other trailhead. Yeah, there's a sign. Huh. Perfect. Let's see what this sign says. Not much. Santa Susana Park State Historic Pass. Santa Susana Pass State Historic Park. That's what we hiked. A little bit of it. Very cool. Definitely coming back here at some point. Archaeological resource? Ooh. I wonder what I could find. Let's see what all the signs here are. Community walk. Blah, blah, blah. Cool. Alright, we're going to the car now. And I ended up walking through a residential area, which not exactly what I wanted, but I also did not want to backtrack through the park. So whatever. This'll do. Not the first time that it happens. And here's the park entrance. This is a trailhead I came in from over here. We did a loop, pretty much. We're gonna sit here for a minute, have some water, maybe eat something, and then I'll go home. Back to where we started. How funny is that? Check it out, that guy just came in. He has a rat in a trap. I wonder where he caught it. And he's gonna release it here. Is that a sandwich? You don't want to see me eating, so better turn the camera around. This was a good hike. Let's see how many miles we did. Oh, he's coming back. Looks like he released the rat. 3 miles? Yeah, that's about right. Well, he didn't even look. I was gonna ask him, but he didn't even look at me, so whatever. Time to go back home. Hope you liked this. Find it interesting. I'll definitely come back here after heavy rains just to see if the waterfall is flowing. But I really enjoyed this hike. Hope you did too, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys. Well, there's my SUV, but one more interesting thing before I leave. Look at that. Peacock Crossing. That'd be cool to see. I didn't see any peacocks today. Alright. Time to go home and end this video. See you in the next one. Bye, guys.